Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Are you fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning unit 2. Its title is My Country, Pakistan. Today's lecture 7, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, under the title of writing skills, we are going to learn about directions, and we learn about only 2 directions, left and right. We'll cover page number 23 of your book. And the SLO we'll cover is to recognize the direction left and right. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah 69, verse 16 to 21. So as for he who is given his record in his right hand, he will say, here, read my record. Indeed, I was certain that I would be meeting my account. So he will be in a pleasant life. Yes, my dear students, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying. On the day of judgment, there will be 2 types of people. One, they will be given their record in their right hand, and when they'll receive the record, this record is just like the report card your school gives you. When they will take it, they will be very happy. The way, mashallah, you are happy when you get good grades, and alhamdulillah, you are promoted to next classes. So this is how all the acts will be analyzed, will be checked by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that's why, beta, all the time we should try to work nicely, to be among good people, because we want to take our record in right hand. That's good. All right. So all of you, show me your right hand. Teacher, kindly pause the video and find out everyone is showing right hand. Yes, good. Better don't look at me because my right does not match with you. That's why I'm going to do this activity in this way. Now, what you tell me, what do we do by using our right hand? So it's my right hand. What do? We use it for writing, for eating, for picking up the things, right? So we have 2 hands. If it's right, this is left. How do we differentiate? All of you, beta, look at me and follow me. It's my left hand. Left, right. Left, right. Show me your right hand. Show me your left hand. Right hand, left hand. Right, left. And it's my right hand, right ear, right shoulder, right leg, left hand, left ear, left shoulder, left leg. So this all side one. When I turn towards you, my side is different. That's why I'm showing it's right. Your right and my right is same. And it's left. My left and your left is same. Teachers, kindly pause the video and make your children to connect with you, because if I'll be facing and showing, it will not sync. So make sure it should sync with students right and left. Then come back. Yes, my dear students. Now all of you can recognize your right and left. So it's time for activity. All of you kindly please stand up on your seats and be with me. So here I'm standing and now I'm synced with you. Okay. If I say turn right, all of you turn right. Okay. Again, turn right, turn right, turn left. Few of you missed it. Beta, you have to turn left. This is how, again, we'll do it. All of you, now stand straight. Again, be with me. Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn right, right. That's because when right, it means the all right. This whole side is right. My right hand and my right side, and left, left hand and left side. Do you understand the difference? Can you differentiate? Okay, I'm going to check it. Now, teachers, kindly take answer of this question from all the students. Tell to your teacher what is on the left side of your classroom and what is on the right side of your classroom. Pause the video. Enjoy this activity. Yes, all of you could identify correctly. Teachers, make sure if any child needs more practice, keep practicing till the time they are synced with left and right. Okay, so it's a time for your assessment on a page. After doing your activity, all of you settle down, sit down, open your English notebooks and listen and follow my instructions carefully. All right. I want you, all of you are done? Your page is ready? If not, you may pause the video. Yes, are you ready now? Okay. Now I want you to write day on the left top corner of your page. Day on the left top corner of your page. Done? Check. Have you written it correctly? Okay. And now you will write day on the right top corner of your page. First you have written date. Now you will write day on the right top corner of your page. Are you done? Have you written it correctly? Date on the left top corner, day on the right top corner. Okay. Now you draw a line and make two halves of your page. Done. Now I want you to draw any of the fruit, any fruit which you can draw quickly and easily, any fruit on the right half of your page. I'm also going to do it for you. Are you done with it? You have drawn a fruit on the right half of your page. Now draw any of your stationary object on the left half, of your page. Any of the stationary object, maybe a book, a notebook, a pencil, eraser, whatever. Pause the video, draw it. Yes, my dear children, are you done? I also draw a coloring book, right? So beta, this is how we use left and right in our practical life. All right, so there is a very interesting activity on page number 23 of your book. All of you open your book. We are going to do question number 6. What is this? Color the bird on left, the bird which is on your left side, you will color it blue, and the bird which is on the right side, color it green. Now pause the video and enjoy this beautiful coloring activity. Yes, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given in description box. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, you will read carefully. Here it's written left, color the left hand. So you will color left, then right, whatever is written, you will follow left and right in this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we recognized left and right. We did oral drill for the concept and we practiced to recognize the directions left and right in writing. So we achieved our SLO to recognize the direction left and right. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.